Good morning to everybody. Myself Chandrasekhar N. Kalshetti, Department of Mathematics, Sri Guru Independent PU College of Science. PUC first year, chapter number 5, complex numbers and quadratic equations. Total, this chapter total 9 marks. 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, 3 marks 2 questions. For first start, that is complex numbers. What do you mean by complex number? The complex number, combination of real and imaginary numbers, or definition, a number of the form a plus ib or x plus iy is called complex number, is called complex number, where a, b or x, y are reals, and it is denoted by z. That is, z is equal to a plus ib, where here a is called real part, b is called imaginary part, here real part is denoted by re of z, imaginary part is denoted by im of z. A number of the form a plus ib or x plus y is called complex number, and it is denoted by z. That is, complex number z is equal to a plus ib. Here a is the real part, b is imaginary part. Real, no I. Imaginary, here I is there, here I is there. Imaginary, keep in your mind, I present, imaginary part. For example, suppose z is equal to 4 plus 3i, be a complex number. Here real part re of z is equal to 4. Imaginary part im of z is equal to 3. Next, another one example, z is equal to 1 plus I. Here z is equal to 1 plus I. Real part is what? Imaginary part is what? Real part of z is equal to 1. imaginary part of z is equal to 1, because real part 4, imaginary part particular, I present, imaginary part is 3. Here real part 1, here imaginary part, if there is no number 1, imaginary part. Continue. Next, write real and imaginary parts of the following complex numbers. Write real and imaginary parts of the following. Some examples. Write real and imaginary parts of the following. Write real and imaginary parts of the following. Here complex number, z, real part, RE of z, imaginary part, IM of z. Example number 1, write real and imaginary parts of the following. Suppose z is equal to 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. Here real part is what? 2. Imaginary part is what? 3. Suppose z is equal to 4 minus 3i. This is a complex number. Here real part is 4, imaginary part is minus 3. Sign is important. Real part is 4, imaginary part is minus 3. Here real part is 4, imaginary part is minus 3. Next, third one, z is equal to minus 2 minus 4i, minus 2 minus 4i. Here real part is what? Minus 2. Imaginary part is what? Minus 4. Suppose z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Here real part is cos theta, imaginary part is sin theta. Fifth one, you write homework, 1 plus I root 3. This is homework. Real part is what? Imaginary part is what? Real part is 1, imaginary part is 3. You write it, real part is 1, imaginary part is root 3. Imaginary part, keep in your mind, imaginary I is present, that is part. This is a complex number, this is a real part, that is a imaginary part. Z is equal to 2 plus 3i, here 2 is the real, 3 is the imaginary. 4 is the real, minus 3 is imaginary. Minus 2 is real, minus 4 is imaginary. Cos theta is real, sin theta is imaginary. Next, that is fifth one, example, do in your home. Next, that is a note. CT point. The complex number is purely real if it's imaginary if its imaginary part is 0, if its imaginary part is 0. The complex number is purely real if its imaginary part is 0. That is, Im of z is equal to 0. Purely real. The complex number is purely imaginary if its real part is 0. That is, Re of z is equal to 0. For examples, suppose z is equal to 2 plus I0. Here real part of z is what? 2. Imaginary part of z is what? 0. This complex number is called purely real. Example number 2, that is z is equal to, here 0 plus 3i. This is purely imaginary because real part is completely 0, only purely imaginary. Imaginary present, purely imaginary. Real present, purely real. There is no imaginary part is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Purely real, this is purely imaginary. Here real part is what? Real part of z is what? 0, absent. Imaginary part is what? 3, purely imaginary. That is purely real, purely imaginary. Keep in your mind, that is CT point. Sometimes that is keep in your mind purely real, purely imaginary, directly click the answer. The complex number is purely real if its imaginary part is completely 0. The complex number is purely imaginary if its real part is 0. That is, Re of z is equal to 0. Purely imaginary, purely real. And one example. Example number 3. Here a complex number number, write real part, imaginary part. Z is equal to 4 only, suppose Z is equal to 4. Here Z is equal to 4, I is what? I is completely 0. This is which complex? Purely real. That is, real part is what? 4. Imaginary part is what? 0. That is purely real. Suppose Z is equal to minus 10i, minus 10i. Here real part is what? If there is no real part is what? 0. Imaginary part is what? Minus 10. Imaginary part is minus 10. Don't write mention I here. If I is right, again a complex number. Here imaginary part particular. Imaginary part particular. Here next example number 5. Z is equal to here minus 1 by 2 is there, minus 1 by 2 plus I times root 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2 plus I times root 3 by 2. Here real part is what? Yes, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Here imaginary part is what? Complete root 3 by 2. Any doubt? Okay. Next, sixth one, Z is equal to 1 plus I times of root 3, 1 plus I times of root 3. Here real part is what? Yes, 1. Imaginary part is what? Root 3. Imaginary part is what? Root 3. Next, seventh one, Z is equal to, listen carefully this example. Here root 5 times of I plus 3. Carefully write this one, carefully write. This part is imaginary, this is real. Real plus imaginary. Here real part is what? 3. Understood? Here real part is 3. Imaginary part is what? Root 5. That is, here real and imaginary parts of the following. If real part is 0, purely imaginary. Here imaginary part is 0, purely real. Next, conjugate of a complex number. 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 It is denoted by Z bar. The symbol is bar. Conjugate of a complex number. Let a minus ib, let a minus ib is the conjugate complex number, conjugate complex number of a plus ib. It is denoted by Z bar or Z conjugate. That is, suppose Z is equal to a plus ib. Z is equal to a plus ib. Z bar is what? A minus ib. A minus ib. Suppose Z is equal to a minus ib. Z bar is what? A plus ib. Suppose Z is equal to minus a minus ib. Z bar is what? Conjugate minus a plus IB. Its meaning is what? Conjugate of a complex number, meaning here change only imaginary part of the sign. Here keep in your mind, change imaginary part sign. Just keep in your mind this idea. Just key point. Change imaginary part sign. Imaginary part sign, Z is equal to A plus IB. Z bar, write its conjugate. Plus becomes minus. Suppose Z is equal to A minus IB. Z bar is what? A plus IB. Yes, imaginary part sign change. Suppose Z is equal to minus A minus IB. Here Z bar is what? Here real part no change. Real part no change. Only change imaginary part of the sign. That is the bar. Bar definitely change. Understood? Conjugate means change imaginary part sign. Here that is conjugate of a complex number. Write some examples. Conjugate of a complex numbers. Write conjugate of the following complex numbers. Write conjugate of the following Write conjugate of the following complex numbers. Complex number and its conjugate of a complex number. This is complex number denoted Z, conjugate of a complex number denoted Z bar, Z conjugate. Example number 1, Z is equal to suppose 2 plus 3i. This is a complex number. Write its conjugate. Z bar of this, here 2 plus 3i becomes 2 minus 3i. Here real part as it is, change imaginary part of the sign, plus 3i becomes minus 3i. Example number 2, Z is equal to 1 plus I. This is a complex number. Z bar is what? Z bar is 1 minus I. Plus I becomes minus I. Change imaginary part of the sign. Third, Z is equal to root 3 plus I. Root 3 plus I. Z bar is what? Root 3 plus I becomes minus I. Fourth one, Z is equal to minus 1 minus I. Minus 1 minus I. Z bar is what? Carefully write this one. Here real part is what? Minus 1. Imaginary part also minus 1. Here real part keep as it is. Conjugate real no change. Real as it is. In conjugate imaginary part sign change. minus I becomes plus I. Minus I becomes plus I. Next, example number 5. Write conjugate of the following. Homework: 1 by 2 plus I times of root 3 by 2. Sixth one, Z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. These two examples for in your homework. Z is equal to 1 by 2 plus I times of root 3 by 2. Write its conjugate, real part as it is. Here change imaginary part of the sign. Plus becomes minus, that is the conjugate. Here plus becomes minus, that is the conjugate. Any doubt in this case? That is, write conjugate of the following complex numbers. Z is equal to 2 plus 3i. Z bar means conjugate. This is bar means conjugate. 2 minus 3i. Plus 3i becomes minus 3i. Plus I becomes minus I. Plus I becomes minus I. Minus I becomes plus I. That is, change imaginary part of the sign. Next, here in complex number, main important rule means I, imaginary number. Iota, main important rule, study for I or imaginary number I. Iota, that is, I means iota, imaginary. This I value is always root of minus 1. I value is always root of minus 1. What do you mean by iota? I, when exists I? Suppose let x square minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. X square minus 1 take right side plus 1. X is equal to plus or minus root of 1. This is positive. X value plus root 1 minus root 1 is 1. That is, suppose take let x square minus 1 replace, suppose plus 1 is equal to 0. X square, here plus 1 take right side, minus 1. Plus 1 replace minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1. Root of minus 1. Here, definition of iota. Definition of iota means what? That is, the square root of the square root of any negative number is called is called imaginary number. Imaginary number. The square root of any negative number is called imaginary number. That is the definition of iota. The square root of any negative number is called imaginary number. Yes, square root of any negative. Square root of -1 is what? Square root of -1 is what? I. Plus or minus I. That is x value. Here, suppose example, root of -3 is there. Suppose one value, root of -3. Negative take outside. Square root of negative number should be imaginary number. This can be written root of -1 into 3. Root of -1 into 3. Root of -1, root of 3. Root 3 is a positive real. Okay. Root of -1. Do you know that square root of AB can written root A into root B. Here root of -1, root of 3. Root of -1 value is what? I, iota. This can be written I root 3, imaginary I root 3. That is here iota, imaginary. Definition of imaginary number: the square root of any negative number should be imaginary number, is called imaginary number. When it is exist imaginary number, let x square plus 1 equal to 0, x square is equal to -1, x is equal to plus or minus root of -1. Root of -1 is what? I. Suppose root of -3, I root 3. Root of -5, I root 5. Root of -7, I root 7. Suppose root of -5 is there. Suppose this value, this can be written root of -1 into 5. Separate negative and positive. Root of -1, root of 5. Root of -1, I, root 5. This is. If quadratic is there, plus or minus. Understood? This is for example here existing the I. Next, study about I. I powers. I powers is what? That is main important rule. I powers. Suppose I to the power 0, I to the power 1, I to the power 2, I to the power 3. Value is what? Next, study for I powers. Note. I power 0 value is what? 1. Any number to the power 0, 1. Here I power 1 value is what? That is root of -1. I power 1 is I. I value is root of -1. I power 2, I square. I square value can express I into I. I into I means root of -1, root of -1. Do you know that root A into root A can written root of A into A square. Square and root get cancelled, value is what? A. Same as it is, root of minus 1, root of minus 1, value is what? Minus 1. I square value. IQ value is what? I square into I. I square value minus 1 into I. Minus 1 into I is what? Minus I. Next, I power 4. I power 4, this can be written I cube into I. IQ value, previous, refer, IQ value is what? Here. That is, I square value is what? Previous minus 1 into I as it is minus I. IQ value is what? Minus I. IQ value is what? Minus I into I. Minus keep as it is. I into I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus minus plus 1. Next, I power 5. I power 4 into I. Value is what? I power 4, 1. 1 into I. Next, I power 6. Express I power 4 into I square. Otherwise, I power 5 into I. Anyway, I power 4 is 1. I power 4 is what? 1. That's the reason 1 into I square. 1 into I square. I square. I square value minus 1. I square value minus 1. I power 7. I power 8 up to so on. 4 is base taken. I power 7. I power n. Can written I power 4m plus r. This can be written I power 4m into I power r. Always I power r is present. Because I power 4m always 1. I power 4 is what? 1. 1 to the power any number is always what? 1. That is, by the law of indices, same base, power should be added. This is separate for the powers, same base, power should be added. Base is I, 4m plus r. Remainder only present. This is the general form for iota. Next, find the value of i's. Otherwise, keep in your mind here I power 1, I square, I cube, I power 4. 3 values keep in your mind. I square, I cube, I power 4. I square value is what? Minus 1. I cube value is what? Minus I. I power 4 is what? 1. Listen here. Once again. I power 0, 1. I power 1 is what? I root of minus 1. I square value split, smallest, I into I. I value root of minus 1, value is what? Minus 1. I cube, smallest, I square into I. I square value, that is minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. I as it is. Minus 1 into I, minus I. Next, I power 4, smallest, I cube into I. I cube value previous, minus I. Minus I into I, minus I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. So, I power 4 is 1. So, continuous connect. Next, here I power's value, biggest is there, finding what? I power 4 is the 1. So, find out the I power 4's. I powers find out. I power n, where n is any positive integer, r is remainder, m is quotient. Suppose in the form of examples, write or evaluate evaluate. It's before keep in your mind three values, I square value minus 1, I cube value minus I power 4 1. These three values keep in your mind, very important for the iota, finding iota. Example number 1, find or evaluate I power 50 value. Suppose I power 50 value. I power 50 is there, convert 4 base, because I power 4 is 1. This can be convert smallest. Here 50 can express in the form of divided by 4. 12, 4 12s are 48. A remainder is what? 2. Here this is m, this is r, this is 4 is there, 4m plus r form. Here I power 4 whole to the power 12. 4 into 12, 48, remaining 2, that is I square. Remainder r, 4m plus r, 12 into 4, 4 into 12, 48 plus 2, total 50. This can be split smallest. Understood? Here I power 4 is always 1. Here I power 50, don't express I 50. I square. Converts maximum, highest, base 4. Here I power 4 is 1. 1 to the power, any number is always is what? 1. 1 into I square. 1 into I square is what? I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. Yes, that is minus 1. Any doubt? Okay. Next, example number 2, evaluate or find I power 100. I power 100, convert base 4, I power 4 whole to the power 25. 4 into 25, 100, remainder is 0, not necessary, remaining, or multiplication I power not necessary. Value is what? 1 to the power 25. I power 4 is 1. Value is 1. Suppose, take another example, I power 35. I power 35 is there, convert base 4 form, I power 4 or I square, that is also, but simple way, for method, I power 4 is 1. Here 4 power, here 4 into 8, yes, divide by 4, 4 into 8, 32, remainder 3, cubic, 32 plus 3, 35. Yes, this value always 1, keep in your mind. 1 into I cube value is what? Smallest. I cube value is what? Minus I. This value is what? Minus I. Next, example number 4, I power, that is 14, I power 14. Convert I power 4 3 is a 12, remainder I square, 12 plus 2, 14. This value is what? Always 1. 1 into I square. I square value minus 1. This is the value. Any doubt? That is I power 50 is there. 50 can convert in this form. 4 12s are 48. Here remainder is 2. That is the format. I power 4, 4 into 12, 48, remainder 2. This complete value is I power 50. By the law of indices, a power m whole power n can return a power m into n, and another one law, a power m plus n can return a power m a power n. That is here same meaning. That is I power 4 into 12, 48 plus 2, 50. Separate, smallest, convert. 50 can reduce, that is I value. Next, I power 100, that is I power 4 whole to the power 25, because 4 into 25, 100, round the number, there is no remainder, value is what? 1. Next, I power 35, here divided by 4, 4 8s are 32, plus remaining 3. Here this value always 1, I power 4 always 1, 1 to the power any number? 1. 1 into I cube value minus sign. Next, some few examples. Example number 5. Evaluate I power 2020, just biggest, 2020 or 2020. This finding this value I power 2020, find this value. This can be expressed in the form of what? Base I power 4. I power 4 whole to the power divided by 4. This number here divided by 4, value is what? 505. Yes, any remainder is there? No. Round the number, there is no remainder, not necessary remaining. Round the number, that is I power 4 always 1. I power 4 always 1. 1 to the power any number? 1. 1 to the power any number is what? 1. Clear? Here 20 is there. That is here 4 5s are 20. Here is there. Clear? Here 0 is there. That is remaining here 20 as it is, right? Here 4 5s are 20. That is, this is value is what? 0. This is the remainder is 0. This is m value is there, 4m plus r. Remainder is 0, not necessary remainder. I power 2020, convert base form I power 4 whole to the power 505. A power m whole power m. 505 into 4, yes, same value, because I power 4 1. If you take I cube apply, I square apply, I apply, result should be same, but biggest is I power 4 because reason 1. 1 to the power any number? 1. That is simple way. Sixth one, next find the value of I power, that is 52. I power 52. I power 52 can express I power 4. 4 tens are 40. 4 12s are 48. 4 13s are, that is here round the number, that is 4 3s, 4 1s are 4 10s are 40. Remaining 12. 4 13s are 52. 4 13s. Round the number, not necessary remaining, value is what? 1. I power 4 value is 1. Next, seventh one, I power 9 plus I power 19. I power 9 plus I power 19. Find this one first. This can be expressed in the form of I power 4. I power 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 1. Yes, 1 I present. Plus I power 19. I power 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 3. Yes, I cube present. I power 4. 1. 1 square. 1. 1 into I. Plus 1 into I cube. 1 into I. 1 into I cube. I cube. I as it is smallest already. Here I cube value minus I. Plus I minus I get cancelled. Value is what? 0. Plus I minus I get cancelled. Value is what? 0. That is here I power any value is there. Convert smallest and find the value of I powers. Convert smallest. Any doubt? This one? Okay. That is I power 9 plus I power 19 is there. 9 can return. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. 1 I present. 19. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 3. I cube is present. 3 I present. This value is 1. I power 4 is always 1. I power 4 always 1. 1 into I. 1 into I cube. I cube value minus I. Plus I minus I 0. Here keep in your mind, this is because I power 4 always 1. Here because I cube value minus I. That is keep in your mind these 2 points. Here already is there I cube value I power 4. I cube value minus I power 4 plus 1. Next 2-3 examples